Dear students, today we discuss about the same chapter, that is factorization. So our SLO is like this one. Factorize of the expression of the type. The first type is this one. If some questions are belongs to this type, then how can we solve such kind of questions? And some questions which are belongs to this type, how to solve them? Some questions are belong to this type, how to factorize them? It is clear? Okay, dear student, with the help of some examples I will explain how to factorize such kind of questions which are related to the first type, second type and third type. Now this question belongs to first type. Why? Because just compare these two questions. Here a 3, here also 3, b 5, here also 5. It is clear? C is different, D is different and K is constant term. Okay, now such kind of questions, just identify the same terms. 3x square plus 5x is here, 3x square plus 5x is here. So we just let y equal to 3x square plus 5x. So we just put here y plus 3, y plus 5 minus 3. We just multiply these two. That is y into y plus 5 plus 3 into y plus 5 minus 3. Just multiply y square plus 5y, 3 multiply y 3y plus 3 multiply 5, that is 15 minus 3. Now just simplify it. Y square plus 8y, because these both are like terms, plus 15 minus 3, that is 12. Okay, after this we use the middle term break. There are three terms, clear? So we use the middle term break. Middle term break, we just multiply these two, that is 12 y square. Just factors of 12 y square, that is y, 1y, 2y, 3y, 4y, 6y and 12y. These are the factors of 12y square. So we just use the same rule. What is our middle term? Our middle term is 8y. Okay. From these factors, we just pick two factors whose multiply is equal to 12y square and whose addition is equal to plus 8. Okay. Now we take 2y and 6y. If we multiply these two, our answer is 12y square. If we add these two, our answer is plus 8y. So we use these two factors. Y square plus 2y plus 6y plus 12. Just take common y plus 2 plus 6 common y plus 2. Again simplify, that is again take common y plus 2 into y plus 6. Now at the last, what is our y? Our y is this one. So we replace y. Replacing y. So we just replace in y. What is our y? Our y is 3x square plus 5x plus 2 and 3x square plus 5x plus 6. This is our final answer. Okay. Now we explain an example which is related to the second type. Okay, this is related to the second type. In such kind of question, we use commutative property of addition or multiplication by using property. In some questions, we use commutative property of multiplication, and in some questions, we use commutative property of addition. इन दोनों में से कोई भी फुलफिल हो रही है उसको हमने यूज करना है. कुछ क्वेश्चन में जो है कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन से हल होंगे, कुछ क्वेश्चन जो है कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन से हल होंगे. ओके, नाउ we just use the commutative property. If we multiply these two, plus multiply minus, if just we take this as a, this as b, a multiply b, that is 2 multiply minus 4, that is minus n. If we multiply these two, minus 7 multiply minus 1, that is plus 7. These two are not equal. We can't use these two as in multiply. If we multiply these two, again plus 1 is here. If we multiply these two, sorry, plus 4 is here. Minus 4 multiply minus 1, that is plus 4. Minus 7 multiply 2, that is minus 14. Again, these two are not equal. So if we multiply these two, minus multiply minus, plus 4 multiply 7, 40n. And if we multiply these two, plus 2 multiply minus 2, that is minus 2. Again, both are not equal. So we can't use the commutative property of multiplication. Now we try the commutative property of addition. Sometimes we use commutative property of subtraction as well, division as well. It is clear? So here, if we add these two, our result is minus 2. If we add these two, our result is minus 8. Both are not equal. If we add these two, our result is minus 5. If we add these two, our result is minus 5. So we multiply these two separately, these two separately. So here, if we add 2 plus minus 7, which is equal to minus 5, or minus 4 plus minus 1 is again equal to minus 5. So we multiply these two and these two. So here x plus 2 into x minus 7 in multiply form, and the other one is x minus 4 into x minus 1 plus 17. Okay, we just multiply these two. That is x into x minus 7 plus 2 into x minus 7. Here x into x minus 1 minus 4 into x minus 1 plus 17. Okay, we just multiply these two. X square minus 7x plus 2x minus 14. X square minus x minus 4x minus minus plus 4 multiply 1, 4 plus 17. Okay, x square minus 5x minus 14, x square minus 5x plus 14. ऐसा करने से क्या फायदा होगा? ऐसा करने से ये दो टर्म और ये दो टर्म इक्वल होंगे. अगर इक्वल होंगे तो ये इस जैसी बन जाएगी, which is belong to, now this question is belongs to this one. So we use the first type. Okay, these and these two are equal, so let y is equal to x square minus 5x. So here put y minus 14 into y plus 4 plus 17. We just multiply these two. That is y into y plus 4 minus 14 into y plus 4 plus 17. Now just multiply these two. That is y square plus 4y minus 14y minus 5. 4 multiply 14, that is 56 plus 17. Now just again simplify it. Y square minus 10y and minus, just minus it, that is minus 39. Now we use the middle term break, the same rule. If we multiply these two, our answer is minus 39 y square. What is our middle term? Our middle term is minus 10 y. Okay. Now we find the factors of minus 39 y square. Factors of y square. These are minus plus 1 y plus minus 3y plus minus 13y and plus minus 39y. These are the factors. We just pick two factors from here whose multiply should be equal to this one and whose addition should be equal to this one. So we take, let's see, minus 13y and plus 3y. If we multiply these two, our result is minus 39y square. If we add these two, our result is minus 10y. So we use these two factors here. Let's see what is our y square minus 10y minus 39. Okay, we use these factors to break down the middle term. Y square minus 13y and plus 3y minus 39. Now we take common from these two, that is y minus 13 plus 3y minus 13. Again these two are same, we again take common these two, y minus 13 into y plus 3. Now we just replacing y. What is our y? Our y is x square minus 5. So x square minus 5 minus 13, 5x minus 13, x square minus 5x plus 3. So this is our final result. So have a note it. Okay. Now there is another question which is related to the third type. Okay. Same commutative property we use by using okay. Now if we multiply these two, our result is 2. If we multiply these two, our result is 2 multiply 6, that is 18. So we can't multiply these two and these two. Now if we multiply these two, 2 multiply 3, 6. If we multiply these two, 1 multiplies 6. So 1 multiply 6 equal to 6, 2 multiply 3 equal to 6. So we use the multiplicative property here. ओके इस क्वेश्चन में हम एडिटिव प्रॉपर्टी कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन नहीं यूज करेंगे, हम कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज करेंगे क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाली प्रॉपर्टी फुलफिल हो रही है. सो if we multiply 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 or 1 multiply 6 equal to 6, so we use the multiplicative property, commutative property of multiplication here. So here what is our x plus 2 into x plus 3? We multiply these two separately and x plus 1 and x plus 6 separately and minus 3x square is here. Just multiply these two, x into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3 x into x plus 6 plus 1 into x plus 6 minus 3x square. Now we multiply x multiply x, x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 x square plus 6x x plus 6 minus 3x square. Now just solve. X square plus 5x plus 6 x square plus 7x plus 6 minus 3x square. Now these two terms and these two terms are not same, but these and this and this are same. So we just rewrite this one, x square plus 6 plus 5x x square plus 6 plus 7x minus 3x square. Okay, these two are same. We just let y is equal to x square plus 6. So y plus 5x into y plus 7x minus 3x square. We just multiply these two, y into y plus 7x plus 5x into y plus 7x minus 3x square. So y square plus 7xy plus 5xy plus 5 multiplied 7, that is 35x square minus 3x square. We just simplify this one here. Okay, y square, these two are like terms, so 7 plus 5, that is plus 12xy. These two are like terms. If we minus these two, that is plus 32x square. Now here we again use the middle term break method. What is the middle term? If we multiply these two, our result is 32x square y square. Okay, the factors of these 32, that is plus minus xy plus minus 2xy plus minus 4xy plus minus 8xy plus minus 16xy and plus minus 32xy. These are the factors of 32x square y square. We pick any two factors from here and whose multiplication should be equal to 32x square plus y square. And what is our middle term? Our middle term is 12xy, and whose addition should be equal to 12xy. So we take 4xy and 8xy. If we multiply these two, our result is this one. If we add these two, our result is plus 12xy. So we just break the middle term like this. Okay, now factorize it. Common from these two terms, that is y. Here y plus 4x plus here 8 is a common and x is a common. So here y plus 4x is. So these two are same. Again take common. Y plus 4x into y plus 8x. Now replacing y. So what is our y? Our y is this one. So we replace this x square plus 6 plus 4x and x square plus 6 plus 8x. This is our final result. If you have any confusion in such kind of questions which are related to this and this type, then please inbox me. I am here to guide you. It is clear? So have fun on it.